Hey there, I'm Heather, and this is The Beach Show, your only internet TV show all about real estate on Panama City Beach and beyond. Today we've got an adorable, large condo overlooking the beautiful Gulf of Mexico. Let's check it out.
Beachy Beach.
So here at Laketown, you've got some great amenities. You've got 5 pools, 2 hot tubs, restaurants galore, the press, a pizza place, a sandwich shop, a buffet, all the great things to have right here on site. And it's just minutes to run across and get to the Gulf. You've got to check this place out. Welcome to this amazingly spacious unit in the Laketown Warf complex. What's so great about these is look how much space there is. There are 2 reclining chairs. You've got this big sectional. I mean, this is massive. Almost 1,100 square feet for just a 1-bedroom. And as you can see, it goes right into the kitchen. You've got plenty of countertop space with extra seating. That way, the kids can sit here, you can sit at the dining room table, but you're all here and overlooking the beautiful waters. How amazing is that? This unit specifically has updated lights. It's got updated appliances. You've got new tile backsplash here. It is perfect. Now let's go check out what that master bedroom looks like. So here we are in this massive main ensuite. So you've got a full king size bed here with the end tables. There's plenty of space. You've got all of this space up here with a nice, almost walk-in closet. And as I mentioned, this one's an ensuite. So you've got your sink, a full shower, tub, and bath here for you. Now, I also mentioned that there's a bunk room. So you only have 1 main bedroom, but the bunk room, you could throw up a barn door and it becomes a room too, and that's where your second bathroom is. But check out how much space there is for your guests or for your family. So for more information, look in the description below. You can access the listing link, and don't forget, subscribe to our channel, thebeachshow.com. Ring that bell so you don't miss out on any other condos like this one.